What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, gold on the lower time frame has given us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade gold. Looking at first of all monthly perspective to see a general direction in the market. Now you see that gold on the monthly perspective, back to back 3 months were significantly bullish. Starting from here, we have seen this big monthly impulsive move to the upside. Now, with that impulse, what we have seen that gold currently facing this monthly important level of resistance zone. If you look at what we see that this same level acted here as a resistance in the past and created this move to the downside. From the same level, we have seen a long narrow doji has been formed on the monthly, and we see that the from same level again there has been another impulse to the downside in this movement. Now at this point, we see that gold created an overextended market to the upside, breaking this monthly resistance. Now the price is currently slowly melting down. As we can see that back to back 3 months uprise, the price has reached an important level where it has grabbed the liquidity. As it has broken this liquidity zone, we could potentially see some drop on gold, and it could be suddenly a drastic drop to certain level on the monthly perspective. So let's look at now weekly time frame to see how the price action is forming. Now on the weekly time frame, we see that this level is being respected. There is in fact a strong drop from this level. This is the weekly bearish engulfer. As you can see, it's a very strong bearish engulfer, and from that level back to back quite a few drop created this impulse, followed by this correction. We have seen another impulse and then created a reversal pattern in this zone, and then has gone up to test that same level. What we see that gold currently has broken this very important level, which is the previous resistance on the weekly perspective as well, and also the gap level where there has been back to back two strong bearish engulfer has been formed, and the price reached that zone. Now we see that gold is rejecting from this level. What we can expect now, as this is the weekly time frame, we could potentially see a drop to this weekly level of previous resistance turning support, and we can expect in the first move gold even to drop to this level. If it continues to drop, we could see a strong drop on the lower time frame. So monthly, weekly giving us potential for dropping on gold. Now, if we look at daily perspective, we see that this is the daily candle that has penetrated this monthly level of resistance and created a long wick candle. Now today, as soon as market opened, we have seen a little bit of retracement, but looks like that the buyers not getting enough fuel, as the price already reached that liquidity zone, and sellers are very active in that level. And from this zone, we could see that gold even coming back to this previous resistance zone, which is resistance here turning support on the daily perspective as well. Now at the same time, we see that there has been an impulse. Now we can expect even a daily correction at certain level in this direction. So we see that monthly, weekly, and daily aligning for drop on gold. Now let's look at the intraday time frame to see how we can find potential trading opportunity. Now if we analyze this candlestick pattern here, this is what we were discussing during live session yesterday. As you can see, the price has created a kind of pattern that is look like reversal. As you can see, first of all, there is a bearish engulfer, which is first rejection from this level with a red body, which in fact crossed the previous candles completely. Engulf created a strong bearish engulfer, followed by this. The next one has gone up, tested this level, and we have seen exactly in the similar fashion, but it has grabbed further liquidity from the resistance, created another bearish engulfer that is further powerful, and this bearish engulfer is quite significant. As you can see, on gold it has crossed back to back all the candles high, and even it has crossed the previous bearish engulfer. So back to back two bearish engulfer, giving us a strong probability for gold to continue to drop. So with that said, if we consider this one as the impulse, Now it has a correction. Now it is in another impulsive phase. That could be the way that gold is continuing to drop, and we could see a drop even to this level. Let's find out where we can find a suitable target for gold to come back. Now if we draw this level here with this one, what we see that this important level of resistance here, which is also resistance here, the double bottom formation has gone up. Now from this zone we can expect now gold to come back to this level where this previous resistance turning support, and from this zone either we could see a head and shoulder formation and further drop, or we could see again another bullish move. So either going bullish from this level or dropping further. For the time being we could potentially see that gold is coming back down. Then how we can find trading opportunities? What we are doing currently, watching price action for a suitable entry opportunity on gold to take this move to the downside with a high probability trade setup with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.